curiosity shop. It has a ton of knickknacks and jewelry and stuff, so I'm excited to check it out. A little bit of a fail because it was so crowded. Only like maybe 5 people or less could fit in that store, and a lot of the stuff for like, you know, like vintage items, but I don't know, it just wasn't really my style. This looks. Let's try it. Way that I finished this in like 5 minutes. Okay, so honest thoughts on Yume Mori here in Berkeley. It was okay, but I feel like the tiramisu cream was a little overpowering. The concept of putting like a Biscoff cookie is good, but other than that, I feel like it just overpowered the matcha a little bit. I feel like if you like more sweet matcha than like the purities of matcha, then I would recommend this spot. But if you like a stronger matcha, I would still probably get the usucha. Matcha from Binge Coffeehouse. Oh yeah, that cream is like addicting. It's like decadent, like dessert like. Onigiri from Riceful. I got the grilled salmon onigiri. Whoa, that looks so good. There's like salmon on top, egg, and spam. So yummy. I got some goodies at Fun Park when I was in Berkeley. It's very similar to iFun, but they do have more like stationery, jewelry, and even like stickers from local businesses. I got this sticker of a swole Snisky. This was $5, and this is so funny to me. And then I got 2 pens. I got a green one and then I got a tan one. I'm planning to use these for my journal. And I got another Skull Panda Warmth series, and I want to open it right now. So the one that I really want is Fine with the Wind, or Enjoy Oneself, or Wandering, the one with the Shiba. I at least don't want like something that I already have. Oh my god. I hope it's not a dupe. It is a dupe! I got the Recall the Past, the one with the hat. I'm sad. R.I.P. My first dupe ever. Hey guys, it's about 5:30 right now. The sun did set, so I'm probably gonna get dinner pretty soon before it gets even darker. Out of Sight Pizza is actually only like a 6-minute walk from here, so let's get pizza for dinner. Hi. Hi. Can I please get a slice of the Peking duck and then the buttered chicken and the pepperoni? And then that should do it.
Is this for here to go?
To go, please. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. This one is the butter chicken, this one's the pepperoni, and then this one is the Peking duck. Yum! Hey everyone, I just got back from Outta Pizza and I got 3 different flavors. I got the butter chicken, the regular pepperoni, and then their Peking duck. Each slice was, I want to say, around $8 each, like $7 to $8 each. A little pricey, but I hope it's really good. I do like how this place does really unique flavors, and apparently it's pretty close to like a New York style pizza. Let's try the pepperoni one first. Ooh. Hear that crunch? Oh my gosh. Let's try it. It's a classic pepperoni pizza, but with that really good curly pepperoni. I love it when the pepperoni is like crispy and curled up. And let's take a bite of the pizza with the basil. The fresh basil adds so much freshness to this pizza. I like how it's kind of like a hybrid of like a pepperoni pizza and a margarita pizza. Pretty good, pretty solid. Let's try the buttered chicken one next. Oh my god, look at that. It looks like there's like chunks of chicken. The sauce they used is the buttered chicken sauce, and it's also topped with the herb sauce that you usually get with you know, like either naan or like samosas, and it's also topped with parmesan. So let's try it. Whoa, the herb sauce just brings so much brightness to this pizza. This pizza would definitely be elevated if the crust was like a garlic naan crust. That would be really, really good. Last but not least, we are trying the Peking duck pizza. This one is the grandma style, where it's more of like a square. Also topped with lots of parmesan. I see some cilantro. Crust is actually pretty thick in this one. Let's try it. This one has to be my favorite one. It's the most flavorful out of all of these. And I love the marinade that they put on the Peking duck. It's like genuinely like a flavor bomb. The cilantro, yet again, just adds so much freshness to this slice. So good. Definitely recommend Out of Sight Pizza if you want a good slice here in SF. The goods from Devil's Teeth. I got a cold brew with a splash of their vanilla soy milk. It's cold brew. It gets the job done. I needed this because I didn't get much sleep last night, so that's hitting the spot. I also got their infamous cinnamon roll. I need to show you guys. Oh my god, like, are you joking? That looks insanely good. I also got their special breakfast sandwich, but I do really want to try the cinnamon roll first. Like, come on. And it's still really piping hot. It looks more, I hate to say this word, it looks more moist than other cinnamon rolls, and it looks really doused in like cinnamon sugar. Cheers. Extremely decadent, not dry at all. Each and every crevice of this cinnamon roll is covered in that cinnamon sugar. This is definitely a game changer. Pair it with a cold brew. Let's have their special breakfast sandwich. I've had this before a couple months ago, and I remember it being so good. I totally forgot to get the salsa because I feel like that was a game changer. Warning you, this sandwich gets so messy because it has that special aioli on top. It has a lot of eggs, avocado, bacon, and it does get messy. Looks absolutely insane. Their lemon aioli just takes over. That is why this is the special breakfast sandwich. Let's just dig in, because it's already getting messy and I haven't even like properly held it yet. Cheers. Wow. That aioli is absolutely amazing. The bacon is actually super crispy too. The eggs are fluffy as always. I'm just afraid of the sandwich just falling apart, but